Welcome back to Fishing with Big Nasty. We're at the McDonald's this morning, getting some breakfast. Headed out to who knows where. We're going to Saluda Shoals. I think that's the name of it.
You as well.
Saluda Shoals.
Saluda Shoals Park.
Saluda Shoals Park in Columbia. We're going to fish the Saluda River. That's right, the Saluda River. I hadn't fished on the Saluda River since I was a kid. When I was a kid, my uncle used to take me on that river, and pretty good fishing there. So it's pretty dark outside. Sun's coming up. So y'all stay tuned and let's see what happens in Columbia at Saluda Shoals. China, made in China. It broke. Hey, the whole thing broke. That's what you get for buying Chinese crap. Well, I didn't really buy this. Junior gave it to me, and it didn't survive. So. Oh well. Just what I get for whipping it so hard. We're going down this trail on this little creek to see what we can get into. Little nature trail. These birds are alarming, Preston. I don't know what it is. I couldn't get my video camera pulled on,
That's what it is.
turned on in time, but this thing just slaughtered my whopper plopper. Man, he got teeth. That sucker's got teeth.
Hold on.
He's hooked good. Is that a pickerel?
Yeah.
Man, he's got teeth. He slaughtered that thing. The second time I threw it out, I should have been recording when he hit it, because he hit it like a ton of nails. You ain't gonna get that. Yeah, no, you ain't. Well, we gotta. Let me get him by the body first. Now, I can work on him. If that sucker starts thrashing, you better not let him get you. There's some teeth, boy. There you go. Take a picture. He's mean. Get one of me in here.
I'll pull up my camera in. Alright.
Is that a pickerel?
That's crazy.
Let's get the release.
Frogs.
I mean, that thing, he nailed that whopper plopper. I got him. I got him. He nailed it. He nailed it. There we go. Wacky Cinco. Hey, 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 Preston got one. Let me see it, boy.
Guys, these little brim are murdering this beetle spin. They are murdering it. Of course, I ain't gonna show you all of them. Oh crap! Oh crap! He fell. He fell. Oh, in the water. Oh, does that count? Does that count as a catch? Since I didn't like touch him, does that really count? And he got my line all twisted. Oh man. All right, let's try this again. Let's keep the camera on this time for you guys. You can see hopefully another catch. And this is a cheaper beetle spin. It come from where'd it come from? It come from Dick's for 89 cents. Look at there. Look at there. Pretty fish. There are pretty fish in the stream. Oh. Second one to drop like that. I know I shouldn't throw them, guys, so I don't need any negative comments, but they're just hopping off this hook so quick. I don't have time to really try to get them off. A better way, I guess, I'm not really getting them off at all. They're getting themselves off. So this beetle spin is killing them. What I'd like to do is get a nice pickerel, like fishing with Big Nasty got. And the thing was sweet. We were talking about that on the way down here, going to Charleston, and because I know this, they're there, but obviously they're here too. And we were talking to one of the guys earlier that works these rivers. He was saying there's smallmouth in here, smallmouth, trout, largemouth. I really want a bass, but I know I'm not going to get one fishing with this thing. Oh, yep, there's a fish. There's a fish. Yep, there's a fish. That's a nice fish. Look at there. Look at there, guys. Look at there, guys. That's a fish. Man, heck yeah. All right. Let's get this out of his mouth. And let's get him back in there. Try to throw him in the deeper end. I can't get down to the water, guys. They're gonna be mad that I throw him in. I just can't get down there. But that was a nice sized brim. This stream is loaded with them. Another one just went up to it. Another one's chasing it. So I mean, this stream is loaded with them. Oh God! So you guys just missed it. I fell in the stream. My phone is probably now ruined. I'm just gonna leave my phone out for a minute and let it dry out. Oh boy, man, guys, I am soaked. You see where I fell in at. My reel right there. Oh, I gotta go get it now. Let me take everything out of my pockets, because oh boy, that was a that was a ride. That was a freaking ride, guys. I even lost my freaking beetle spin, man. That's what I went over there for to get. I had it hung in a tree. I went in to get it. It is just slippery right here. My phone, my wallet, my keys. And there's nothing I can do. I gotta get my rod there. I definitely ain't leaving that thing. We'll hold on to what I can.
How come you wet?
Huh?
How come you wet?
I fell in.
You fell in?
Yeah.
From the big log?
Huh?
From the big log you were trying to cross?
No, I got off the log, then I went down a little bit, and I started murdering the brim. And my beetle spin got
Big brim?
They're decent size.
Wow, look at this. He's wet.
My phone, my wallet,
Your phone got wet?
everything.
Does it work? I mean,
it works. I threw it, when I was still in there, I threw it out on the bank.
oh my gosh, really? There's been deer right here. Don't fall in again.
Yeah, I started murdering the brim. My beetle skin got hung in the tree. And
Oh crap. Wow. Preston got wet. He's muddy. Turn around.
Let me lay everything down.
Man. Turn around the other way. Yeah, you're wet.
Yeah.
You ain't got no clothes, would you, do you?
No, I got a big blanket in the truck that I'll put over my seat.
Wow.
Guys, I don't know if you can see it in there, but there is a gar right there. He just went after Jeff's bait. Look at there. He's circling it. He wants it. Look at that. Look at that gar. He snapped at it. He snapped at it. Come on, get it. Get it.
You see that? You might. Keep your eye on him. I just caught a bass trying to catch a gar. He is hungry. He is hungry, boy. There he goes. He's hungry. Crap. He's trying to get it. Well, he ain't scared, is he? He ain't scared a bit, is he? He's just tooling. I got a problem here. Keep your eye on him. I can't watch him. There he is.
I'm trying to catch him on the beetle stick.
He's wanting this little bait I got, but he's wanting it bad. But he ain't getting it. I got him.
Man, yes.
That's a big gar too.
That is a big gar. Fishing with Big Nasty, guys. If you haven't already, subscribe again.
He's gonna get away if I can't.
Hold on.
I ain't got no gloves or nothing. Oh Lord, he's big. I got him on the bank. We got that gar, boy. We got that gar. We got that gar. I snagged him foul hook, but but I got him. Oh Lord, that's what it's all about right there, boy. Got the gar. The big old stinky thing. Yeah, I foul hooked him, but
I got my pliers, Jeff. You need them?
yeah, I need him. Oh Lord have mercy, he cut me.
Hey, what?
He's cutting me. He wasn't gonna give up, was he? He wanted that darn bait. Hold on, let me get this thing from around his mouth. I don't know if it's stuck in his mouth or not, but I ain't sticking my hand up there.
That is freaking awesome.
I thought he bit it. I really thought he bit it. He's got it through his mouth.
We'll just cut it.
There we go. That's a big gar.
Hold him up. Let's get some pictures.
All right, you know how to do this? Hold on. We got him, didn't we? All right, you know what the picture is?
Yeah.
That's a big gar right there, boy.
That looks better. Yeah.
Here's some more. Look at that mouth.
Hold on. I'm trying to get it perfect.
You got your GoPro?
Hold on. I will. I'll just make the video of the release with your phone.
All right, I want you to get a little bit of video on it. It's a big boy right there. He was hungry. Gar season has officially begun. Whoa, me. There he goes. He got guard. Woo! I wasn't gonna give up till I got that sucker, boy. Big boy right there. He was hungry. Gar season has officially begun.
Guys, this is truly something to see. Because we didn't think gars were. He was swimming that way toward that bank. Right here, another gar just went for the bait. Let's see if we can see him. Over here.
I'm about to go get my gar fishing box. I can't see him no more.
I don't see him anymore either. So, big thanks to Costa for the glasses, because I'm telling you, without these, this lake or this stream is loaded with bass. Guys, there's three largemouth bass right here swimming together. Four largemouth bass. And this is just a stream off the Saluda River here in Columbia. So I'm gonna change my bait around. I'm not going for small fish anymore. I'm gonna try to catch some bass and hopefully a gar. So stay tuned. Let's see what we get.
All right, people. Now we at Lake Wateree. We got some rods out here. Sun's still pretty high in the air. And we're gonna try for some big catfish now. We was coming back down 21 on the way home and decided to stop off. This little rod here, right there, has got chicken tenders on it. The other two, one of them's got a big old chunk of shad on it. The other one's got a little shad on it that's been filleted. So me and Preston's gonna see what we can do. He's got his iPad out here. He's gonna be doing some editing on his video from today. What's your channel? SC Fisherman? He thinks it's SC Fisherman. I don't know if he's sure or not. SC Fisherman. Y'all check out his channel, subscribe to it. He'll have a little bit of the stuff that we did today in Colombia on it, and have some of his brim that he caught. So y'all subscribe to his channel, SC Fisherman. All right, we're gonna get off here for a few minutes, and we'll drop back in here if we start catching fish. Get him, boy. Get him, he's on there. Let's pick it up. Is he on there? Take your time, don't try to horse him. Might have a little channel cat on a chicken tender. There's a little old rod. Probably feel like a whale on it. There you got him. That's a little old catfish.
It's a baby.
Let me
it's
see.
A baby, guys.
He ain't dingy, is he?
No, this one's not dingy. Guys, if you haven't checked out my dingy video, check it out. Fishing with Big Nasty.
Like a little channel cat. He get that old chicken tender, didn't he?
Hit the stop record button.
What?
He's got this hook for both.
That's okay. Bring him here. These little ones are the one you got to be careful of, because they'll them fins are pretty sharp when they're little.
I'm gonna get the release on my phone.
Man, he won't open his mouth.
I know.
Open your mouth, boy. If I get his mouth open, I can get the hook out. Get my pliers over there. Big pliers right there. It's in a meaty part. It ain't coming out. There we go.
Can I grab him by his mouth?
Yeah, you can grab him in his mouth. He'll open it.
Just hold him real quick. Let's see.
He don't like opening his mouth, though. Go ahead.
Screw you.
Go ahead. I'll release him.
Hold on, let me get it on.
That perfect eating size right there. Perfect eating size. I hope you enjoyed the video. It was an epic day of fishing, in my opinion. To catch pickerel and gar in the same day was well good enough for me. But we actually caught bass, brim, and catfish too. We fished in several different locations. Fished at Saluda Shoals, which is in Colombia. It's a park. You pay $5 to get in. You can fish, hike, walk your dogs, whatever you want to do. It's a beautiful place down there. We fished in the Saluda River. We fished in that little stream that fed the Saluda River. We fished in 2 different ponds inside of Saluda Shoals. Didn't get anything there or the river. We all of our fish that we caught was right there in that little stream that fed the Saluda River. We actually left there and went to a business park and fished in a pond for a little nasty pond. I mean, it had a lot of trash in it. It looked like it would have been loaded with fish, but we didn't even get a bite there. So we decided to head on home and see what we could pass along the way. And we came up on Lake Wateree and decided to stop in there and do some catfishing, which produced one little tiny catfish. I would say yesterday was a success. But overall, I think it was the most fun me and Preston's had in a long time fishing. So please like, share, and subscribe. If you hadn't hit the notification bell already, tap on it and make comments, good, bad, or indifferent. Everything's welcome. And we'll see you next time.